Go.
Do you want me to go?
We good?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, go for it.
The fever was well upon me. For months I had thought about a Red Ryder air rifle, and now there it was, the real thing.
You don't need a steed to be a cowboy.
Armed.
You don't need
A hero.
you don't need a hero just by galloping off in the sun.
Fists. What you really need to be a cowboy, fearless,
keeping bandits trembling on the road.
Backed by him. To him is a Red Ryder carbine action.
Is a Red Ryder carbine action BB gun.
That's right, boys. If you want to keep your homestead free of villains, I give you Old Blue.
Good. 4 steps. See me standing guard up at my window. I'll protect the neighborhood so outlaws are always outdone. Window. Bumper them at that window. Show those weasels how the you're gonna
Wild West was won. Bang! Bang! It's a Red Ryder carbine action BB gun.
Good.
Gun.
My teacher?
Wait, is that the long one? No,
Yeah.
it's not.
Yeah, this is what it's
Oh, it
for
is.
phone.
Gun.
Okay, hands serving.
My teacher could be taken by a pack of goons. My
Left.
class might be invaded by raccoons.
Quick steps.
The kids would hurry down the hall as tigers tried to eat them all, but they would be okay. I'll swoop in and save the day.
Girls.
And the girls would sigh and say, "Oh, Ralphie!"
Good.
And
When you're big and brave
Oh, yeah.
like me,
When you're big and brave like me,
no bully
no
can
can
ever make fun. My mom is crying, Cowboy Ralphie. Well, my dad is yelling.
That boy's my son.
Intense. With a Red Ryder carbine action, BB.
Gun.
Dreamy. This is the higher one. Yeah. Bouncing steps, but it's almost
It's almost gone. Wait.
nearly getting close.
Wait, can I see?
Yep.
Okay. But it's almost nearly getting close. Counting down, the clock is set. Don't know how, don't know who,
And
but
you're
I
there?
just know I gotta get a Red Ryder carbine.
A Red Ryder carbine.
Stop with the compass.
Compass in the stock.
Red Ryder carbine action BB gun.